Dear all, this is module number 113 for the subject of SHRM. This module is related to three levels of human resource development. Before I talk about three levels of human resource development, it is important to give you an overall concept of human resource development. When we talk about the human resource management, there are different functions of human resource management. We talked about that when we talked about the CIPD, Chartered Institute of Personnel and Development, 10 roles of human resource or strategic human resource management. We have also talked about from our primary textbook, the chapter number 4, the HR competencies. If you look at the overall picture or holistic view of human resource department or human resource management, you may realize that the human resource development is the function of human resource department or HR professionals. So HRD, human resource development or organization development, comes under the umbrella of human resource management. The whole point I wanted to make is actually that OD is not a separate thing. OD is organization development or human resource development is one function of the overall human resource functions. If you keep this in your mind, it might be better for you or easy for you to understand what we are talking and where we are at the moment. So when we talk about the human expertise is developed or learned or HRD, there are three levels: the individual level, group level, and organizational level. If you talk about any theories of organizational learning, that is actually also studied in that form as well: individual level learning, group level learning, and organizational level learning. The antecedents and outcomes of individual level learning, what makes individuals to learn and what will be the outcome when individuals learn, might be different, and definitely they are, from the group level learning, what makes a group to learn and what is the outcome of the group learning, what makes an organization to learn and what would be the outcome of organization learning. So the antecedents that make something to happen and the outcomes, the result of that thing, are different. So individual level learning, group level learning, and the organizational level learning or development, it has a different precursors that push these things to happen. So first we see that individual level learning. So knowledge acquisition to improve their performance. Individuals acquire the knowledge to enhance their performance and ability to adapt change. So the focus is in organization development is the ability to change or adapt something being introduced or being implemented in organization what the organization was not doing in the past. So unlearn old skills and master new ones. Might be you people have heard about that, and in my personal opinion, just take it the personal opinion that learning is not that difficult, but to unlearn something what you have learned is more difficult. Let's say you have learned 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. It is very hard to unlearn that now because you have learned it, and learning at that time could be difficult, but unlearn this that 2 plus 2 is, for example, not 4 is very difficult. Your mind will not accept it, your heart will not accept it, your logic will not accept it because you have learned something and it is very difficult to unlearn. So in the organizations, when you are involved in any kind of work activity, when you try to unlearn that, that is change. And that's why change is difficult, because you have to unlearn many things when you are talking about change. So to reflect critically on their performance, that is the part of individual learning, individual level of learning. So group level learning involves knowledge sharing, which underpins innovation and the creation of new knowledge. The precursor or the antecedent of group level learning is when employees are able to share the knowledge with each other. We will talk about this in more detail sometimes later. So, organizational level learning involves first learning at the system level. When we talk about the organizational level learning, we are talking about learning at a system level. That is, whole organization learn something, adopt it, and follow it. The second, there is a collective learning which involves learning that is embedded in organizational routines. When something become a part of organizational routine, we say that organization has learned something. When it becomes a routine in an organization, when something becomes a routine in an organization, this is the time, or this is where you can say we have unlearned what we were doing in the past. Thank you.